Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how can we install Kali Linux in this virtual box. In the previous video we have installed the virtual box. Now we'll try to install Kali Linux. Okay. For that guys, you have to go to the page. Just go download Kali Linux for Windows. This is the Kali Linux official page. Get Kali. Okay. So go down. As you can see, we need for x84. Click on download, which is 4.4 GB. Click on download. It will take a little bit of time. It is downloading an ISO. Now open the virtual box, guys. Click on new here. So first select the ISO. Here you have to select the ISO, which is Kali Linux. Okay. Here OS distribution, you have to select other Linux, and OS version is other Linux 64. Here you can write Kali Linux. Okay. Once you have done this virtual machine name and operating system, let me click on setup unattended guest OS installation. That's totally fine. Okay. Second one, what we'll go with, specify virtual hardware. Okay. Now I want 4 GB, that is 4096. Okay. And I want 3 CPUs. 3 will be enough. Okay. Specify virtual hard disk. So disk size we have to go, let's give 80 GB. I'll just click on finish. Only the option which we have selected here is 80 GB. Click on finish. So once you click on finish, it will create the Kali Linux. It is powered off. So let me click on start. So it will say powering VM up. So it will say starting virtual machine. First we'll go for graphic install. Click on enter for graphic install. Okay. First let us select language English. Click on continue. So you have to select the country which you are in. Here you can give country as India. Click on continue. Now here you have to configure the keyboard. Let us say it is in American English. Click on continue. It will add additional components which and all are needed. So now it will ask the host name. You just keep Kali as the host name. Okay. Click on continue. Domain name you can leave it as like that. Click on continue. It will ask full name for the new user. So this is what here you have to give your full name. So here it says select username for the new account. Your username is a reasonable choice. Okay. Click on continue. Here you have to choose your strong password. You can choose any password here. So it is starting up the partitioner. It will do the partition here. So partition disks, click on the guided use disk, click on continue here, click on continue. Let's see all files in one partition, click on continue. Select this option only, finish partitioning, and write changes to disk, click on continue. It will ask write changes to disk, click on yes here. So click on continue, installing the base system. So now it is asking at the moment the only core system is installed. So just select the desktop environment, click on continue, select and install software. So now it's asking install the grub bootloader. Click on yes, click on continue. So which one do you want? So we'll select this and click on continue. Yeah, it will install the group bootloader. Installation is now complete. Click on continue. So Kali Linux booting in 3 seconds. So the user and password would be the same which you have added in the beginning. Click on login. Yeah, Kali Linux is installed. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.